Hello and welcome to another video. I thought I'd try something a little different today and we'll have a look at the new Hornby HST train set in GWR green. I have both the train set model and I have the high detailed model behind it, so we can do a good comparison video. I've also added a Mark III coach to the super detail set. Obviously you get one included in your train set, and there's the other power car, and both are numbered 43005, so we can have an excellent comparison there. So let's have a look at the power cars to begin with in the train set and look at the differences. Obviously the first difference is obvious, is the light clusters. The one in the train set is the Lima model, which I have one over here in a siding. It's exactly the same moulding and everything. The only difference is the motor inside it. So there we go. The other difference is the roof detailing, where the exhaust ports are. The moulding there, obviously the super detail one, you can see through to the fan, and the train set model one you can't. Coaches, I can see very little difference in the coaches apart from the couplings on the bogies which are underneath. The only other difference, and the cheap one I can't really show you in this light, is there's no fat green stripe on the GWR. Let's see if I can tilt them over. You can just see it on that one, but it's not on that one. And this is the one here. This one is the one in your train set that you'll get. And then the other end, the other power cars. So what I'll do is I'll get them running around so you can see them both running. Well, the other thing is you only get one set of lights in the train set model. Even if you go forward or reverse, the light will always stay on. So I'll get them running and you can watch them go around. Hopefully you can hear me over the racket. The set there, that is the one that comes in your train set. As it comes round, you'll see the white light at the front, but there is no tail light. So even if you run in reverse, that headlight will always be on, and the other end, the other power card will have no lights in. So with the super detailed one, obviously you get headlights, the cab lights, and obviously the tail light. So as we come around again, here's the train set one with no light in the power card. But the headlight is still on the main power card. That's the one with the motor on. The other one's the dongle. So here's the underneath of the power cars. These are the motor ones. You've got your super detail one at the top, so you get drive to both sets of bogies, whereas on the train set one these are on 3, and this set is the only driven set. You've got a traction tyre, field focus, there we go, on that wheel there. If we compare it to the Lima model, same moulding, you can see the mouldings are very close. Obviously this one says Lima, and we've got the Hornby stamp on that one. So yeah, it's very, very close to the Lima model. You can just about see the cab detail on the super detail model. Just about in focus. Whereas your train set one, it's just the basic black moulding. So let's take a look at these two with the same numbers. There's the super detail one on the top. So he's got a see-through grille. He's got the brake discs. And he's got some extra detail and colour on the cab side. On the train set model, you get no discs. Again, this is the Lima. This is the Lima moulding. That's just moulded plastic. There's no grille there. You can't see through it. And you're missing some colour detail here, like the overhead warning flash. So it's a matte finish on the train set one, as opposed to your super detailed one, which is a gloss finish. We'll have a look at the coach now. So these are the Mark III coaches. The bottom one is the one you get in your train set, and the top one is the super detail one. So you can see there the fat green line, which is not replicated on your train set one. Again, it's got a matte finish to it, whereas the other one's a gloss finish. And the only other difference I can see, I'll turn it upside down, is where the coupling pocket is on the bogie. If it focuses in, that's the super detail version. And there's your train set version. Both have got a Hornby stamp on the bottom of them. So what I'll do now is I'll put a full rake of coaches on the train set one and see how much it can pull. So whilst unboxing a few of my Mark III coaches, I noticed that the new ones, the ones that come with a continental coupling, have the same bogie as the train set coach, which is the one closest to the camera. This is the train set one, and this one is the newer one, the newer Hornby super detail one that come with the continental coupling. So yeah, I don't think there's any difference at all apart from the glossy paint job. So if you can get your hands on some of the train set Mark III's, hopefully Hornby will do a railroad version, nice and cheap, to make up the sets. Fingers crossed. Right, here we are, all coupled up. A rake of 8 Mark III's. I'll put the power on and see how it goes. Let's go the other way first. Well, no problems at all. Increase the power. That's about half speed, that is. No tail light in the trainset model. Follow that one, no trouble at all. So if you get an extra 3 coaches, you can make it a castle set, and away you go. Well, I hope you enjoyed the little video. If you would like me to do some more with commentary, let me know and I'll see what I can do. Ta-ra for now.